These are mechanisms that exist in the body, and they work really well when we're young. The problem is with aging and with outside and inside insults, these mechanisms, they decline in their function and in their ability to protect us. And so it's really all about gene expression that controls these. And what are these mechanisms? So tissue renewal, this relates to just healthy renewal inside the body. A lot of the cells that we have, we weren't born with, right? Cells are constantly undergoing a division process, some a lot faster than others, right? When you think about white blood cells, those are very, very quick. Red blood cells take a little bit more time. In the liver, well, in any case, every tissue is a little bit different. But bone is maybe a good example. There's this bone remodeling that occurs, and this is a constant dynamic process that happens on a regular basis. And so healthy tissue renewal is super critical in the body. Metabolism, another key mechanism. What I want to point out here is that Age Like Youth is not a quick weight loss product. A lot of people think of metabolism as quick weight loss. This is more helping to mimic healthy metabolism for the aging process. When you think about aging and our metabolism, what happens is generally our ability to control sugar and insulin declines. In addition to what happens is when we have too much sugar and we have too much insulin, that triggers fat storage and fat metabolism. And so there's this shift where we tend to store more fat and burn less fat as we age. And so we really wanted to look at what are ingredients and what is gene expression that relates to a healthy metabolism for the aging process. Antioxidant defense, this is a given. But Age Like Youth, we wanted to focus not just solely on these extrinsic antioxidants, so things like vitamin C or vitamin E that we get from diet. We also wanted to focus on what are the ingredients that can help to produce intrinsic antioxidants or antioxidants on the inside of our body. So these are things like glutathione, glutathione peroxidase. I mean, there's a whole system inside the body. And so we really worked well to look at the science and what are the best combination of antioxidants to put inside of Age Like Youth. Detox and stress response, this is a given, but this is a key thing. I mean, detox, we're exposed to toxins on a regular basis, from smoking, from the environment, from pollution. We want to protect ourselves and our body. And stress, you want our cells to respond to stress in an effective and a healthy way. And we looked at some of the science behind that, some of the mechanisms, for example, NRF2, that plays a key role with how does our body handle detox and how does our body handle stress in an effective and a healthy manner. Inflammatory balance. This to me is actually one of the most crucial things because when it comes to aging, when our body is working well, there's usually not a lot of issues. But when the body, doesn't work well and we have this inflammation that fires up, it can become chronic. And chronic inflammation is really a trigger for just bad things, for problems inside the body, for wreaking havoc. I call it a silent killer because this chronic inflammation really impairs our health and wellness systems inside the body. It accelerates the aging process. And so we really looked at some of the science behind ingredients that impact gene expression, but also that support this mechanism of a healthy inflammatory balance inside the body. And then last but not least is DNA protection and repair. When we think about repair enzymes that we have inside the body and inside the cells, I mean, they're working on a regular basis, but they need adequate cell division. They need adequate nutrients to be able to support that process in a healthy manner. So when those mechanisms are working properly, we can really see the systemic benefits inside the body from your head to your toe, from brain to skin to metabolic to bone. I mean, you can see all the benefits there for yourself. What's incredible for me as a scientist is when I talk to people and when I travel the world, of course, not traveling right now. There are many restrictions. We're trying to stay at home. But it's incredible to me to hear the testimonials of people who take Age Like Youth or any one of our other incredible health and wellness products for that matter, but specifically talking about youth right now, these testimonials really motivate our entire scientific team because we see that products are changing lives. And the theme that I hear over and over again is that people don't know what they're missing out on until they actually take one of these products. And when they feel better, they have better health and wellness. Maybe they sleep better. Maybe they see heart health or skin health, whatever improvement that they see, that they notice. It's something that people don't realize they're missing until they actually take one of our incredible products. And so don't be afraid to reach out and to invite someone and say, hey, we have these incredible products. You just got to try it yourself and see the difference and feel the difference in your life. And I certainly have. By taking youth, by taking Reishi Max, I take many of our Pharmanex products and many of our Nu Skin products, that is.